In this video, we will learn how to manage inventory using the Fixeets add-on directly from Google Sheets. In a new Google Sheets tab, install the Inventory Management add-on created by Fixeets. Install the add-on and return to your Google Sheets. In the Extensions menu, click on Inventory Management. If the console doesn't open, refresh your browser cache. Once opened, choose your language and generate your workspace. The Fixeets environment is made up of two parts: 5 Google Sheets where all your data will be stored, and an interactive console to carry out all your actions. To add a new supplier, click on Supplier, then on New to complete the form. All the information will be directly stored in the corresponding Google Sheet. To add a new item, click on Item, then on New to complete the form. All the information will be directly stored in the corresponding Google Sheet. Now let's move on to managing inbound and outbound stock. To do this, click on the Flow tab. To record an inbound stock movement, click on New. Select the desired item and set the quantity to add to the stock. The available quantity will be updated in the stock sheet, and all the information will be saved in the inbound sheet. To record an outbound stock movement, click on New. Select the desired item and set the quantity to remove from the stock. The available quantity will be updated in the stock sheet, and all the information will be saved in the outbound and return sheet. To import existing items or suppliers, simply copy and paste your values directly into the corresponding sheets, making sure to follow the column order. To import an existing stock, create a direct inbound entry line for each of your items with the value of your current stock. Make sure the entry ID always starts with IN dash. Once the inbound are created, click on Refresh to update your stock. You can customize your data by adding additional information through the Add Column tab. Once added, the information will be directly available in the corresponding form. To edit an item's information, click on Modify. Then select your item and update the necessary fields. The changes will then be applied to all sheets. To correct a stock movement, click on the History tab and select the movement to edit. Change the field value, then confirm. To perform an inventory, click on New. A sheet will be created containing all items in stock along with their quantities. You will now be able to record and verify the actual quantities available in stock using the console. Once the inventory is complete, you can automatically adjust the quantities to match the current stock. All corrections will be applied to the different sheets and can be modified. Your inventory is now complete. You can close it and continue managing your stock easily. To share and allow your users to manage your stock with multiple accounts, there are two solutions. First, you can simply share your Google Sheets file by adding an email address as an editor. Second, if you don't want to share the file directly, you can give your users access only to the console. To do this, simply grant editor rights to the Fixeets service email address on your file. Once done, you can assign permissions to your users and share an access link with them by email. You can also access and share the console on your phone or tablet by scanning the QR code. The Fixeets add-on comes with a complete analysis dashboard. There you will find all the information and insights you need to manage your stock efficiently. Thanks to the filters, you can display only the information that really matters to you. An integrated schedule will help you anticipate and plan upcoming stockouts before they occur. You are now ready to manage your inventory efficiently, so go ahead and download the free Inventory Management with Sheets add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace.